Welcome everyone. This is the third video of Product 4 for 6th grade. First, let's warm up. Stand up. Stand up. Come on everyone. Stand up. Now, jump. Jump. I know you can do it. Now let's dance. Oh yeah, let's dance. Now spin. Now spin. Don't get dizzy. And now sit down. Sit down everyone and take a breath. Good work. You did it great. Let's start with the class. Today, we're going to talk about conditionals. If you do something, there will be consequences. Let's start with a simple example. If I arrive late to school, my teacher gets angry. You should be on time for school. Let me explain the structure of this sentence. If I arrive late to school, my teacher gets angry. Let's start with the situation. At the beginning of the conditional sentence, we always use the if clause plus the action word, what you did, plus a comma. The first conditional is used to express a real or very probable situation in the present or future. Now, let's talk about the consequences. What will happen? It is for things that will possibly happen in the future if a condition is met. In a way, we are predicting a likely result in the future if a certain condition happens. In this situation, my teacher gets angry because I arrived late to school. Let's remember our first video. We talked about warning signs and prohibition signs. Now, let's ask ourselves, what if? We need to pay attention to the warnings, like this one. Don't push the red button. If we don't follow the warnings, things will happen, and maybe not good things. I wonder what the red button do. Ah, Mr. Peanut, you shouldn't do that. As you can see, Mr. Peanut didn't follow the warning, push the red button, and something bad, really bad happened. Let's see the different types of conditional warnings. We have unconditional warning, tells you about something to be aware of, like bear crossing. Conditional warning. Tell you what could possibly happen. Caution. Look both ways before crossing. And we have provisions. Forbids something. Warning. Do not touch high voltage. Don't do it. Let's see some examples of what happens if we don't follow warning signs and review the structure of a conditional sentence. Warning, do not feed the animals. If you feed the animals, you will be attacked. We have here the if clause, always at the beginning of the sentence, the actions. We use a comma to divide this part, any the consequence of the action. If you feed the animals, you will be attacked. Notice, authorized personnel only. If you enter, you will injure yourself. We have the if clause plus the action plus the comma plus the consequence of the action. If you enter, you will injure yourself. Poison. If you eat this, you will be sick. We have the if clause plus the action plus the comma plus the consequence of the action. If you eat this, you will be sick. Stop, here for train. If you ignore the sign, you will have an accident. You should know the structure of the sentence by now. We have the if clause plus the action plus the comma plus the consequence of the action. If you ignore the sign, you will have an accident. Now, you can make your own warning sign. Let's go. You can use shapes, image, and don't forget the warning. You can use all these elements to create your own warning sign, maybe for your room. What if? These are examples of warnings you can create at home. You can do it. See you soon.